We'll start at the bow and work our way down. So you'll see there's a balcony on this side, and underneath it there's actually a second balcony that drops down. And yes, you can have both these balconies out at the same time. There's a large sliding glass window with seats which can be put away and stored. They are cleaning it as it is the last day of the boat show. So starting at the platform, you have a large hydraulic boarding platform, and you can just make out the second balcony on this side, which is really cool. So this balcony here, where this guy is polishing, folds down and becomes flat like that one. So we'll start off on the balconies. So on the port side, you have a large, what I'm going to call an owner's balcony. And the reason being for that is that this door here is actually an entrance into your master cabin. So you can wake up in the morning, have a deck chair all set up, and come out and read your book in your own personal, private area where you won't be disturbed. How amazing is that? You can see the teak for the other balcony. So we'll head up the stairs. You get a large crew or utility room on this vessel as well. You can see large walkways right around. On the port side, the starboard side is fixed, so it's asymmetrical. Down here you have a large dining table which can be compacted and made smaller. This is set up for 8. Again, the openness of this boat is unbelievable with the drop down window and the side door. It really creates that inside outside feeling. Coming into the saloon, you can see the concertina window there that's opened up, and you have another large settee. There is a full height fridge, and there's mountains and mountains of storage. Dishwasher, drawers, and again you've got that upper storage as well. This window slides away and creates a bar so that people can be sitting on the balcony. There are 2 TVs, pop-up TVs, one here and there's one here facing the outdoor space. Oven, cooktop, and again storage for miles. Moving into the helm and pilot house, you have a large settee come daybed and an oversized lounge, and then you've got your helm with twin helm seats and twin Raymarines. You have a pop-up TV here. We'll head down straight into the cabins. We'll go straight into the full beam master cabin, which is at the bottom of the stairs. Again, huge big windows, lots of natural light. There's your entrance door, your private access to your balcony, and your double bed, TV on the wall. This is just such a beautiful, beautiful cabin. Large, very large hanging locker. Moving forward into the ensuite, you have toilet, large rain shower, again big windows with opening, port light and storage everywhere. Leading out on the starboard side, you have a day head come ensuite. So this has got single sink, toilet and shower with seat. Forward on the starboard side, you have twin beds which can be moved and slid over to create a double in here. Again, large opening locker as well. As we move forward, we step up one step into the forward VIP. Huge amount of natural light. You have a sunlight and an opening hatch forward, and then lots of natural windows for natural light. Again, lots of overhead, lots of storage everywhere. With a TV on the wall. On the port side in the forward cabin, you have an ensuite with toilet, shower, and again, big windows with the port light open for ventilation. We'll head back down and head up into the Helm. Little wine fridge as you come up the stairs, and again more storage. And what a magnificent space to be cruising from and socialising with your friends. Dual deck doors, pilot house doors. And we'll head out onto the bow. Up here you have 2 day beds and a bow seat which can be spun to face aft. You have the normal anchoring equipment, and again all the standard deck hatches. We'll head over to the port side, and you can see that on the port side the wheel, or the saloon, actually comes all the way to the edge of the boat. So they push that right out, and that really gains a lot of space internally. Whereas on the starboard side you have a walkway all the way down. So we'll come down here and head back into the saloon. We'll head up the stairs onto the Flybridge. There's a deck hatch. Starting at the stern of the Flybridge, you have a very large, oversized couch that you can sit and lay on. A large table, which again is expandable, and then a full bar. You have fridges and big barbecue, sink, and a ice bin. Storage underneath. You could put an ice maker in there, or more refrigeration. Again, these are multi-purpose cupboards. On this one they put a large fridge. Moving forward, this is a removable piece of furniture. You have a large settee and large helm with twin Raymarine screens. It's just a magnificent vessel. Head back down the steps. We'll head into the crew area if it's not locked. However, it looks like they've locked it. Yes, that is locked. So there's a single berth which can be converted. This whole area down here can be converted into a storage utility area, wet area, whatever you'd like. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the 620 Galeon. If you have any questions, please get in contact with us at Alexander Marine Australia.